Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to this new tutorial video here. And in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Acrobat quit unexpectedly. So in this video I'm going to show you how to solve this problem. First of all, go to your search option here and search registry editor. Here is the option, double click it to open, and after that select yes, and you have to copy a path here. I'm going to provide it to the description. All you have to do is copy the path from the description like this. Copy it from here and just paste it here and select enter. And again go to the description again and just copy this text. And now under this option here, right click it here and select new and select this D word 32-bit value and paste the text we just copied. And now double click it to open, and all you have to do is change 0 value to 1 and select OK, and then restart your PC and open the application Adobe Acrobat and your problem will be fixed. So this is my video and I hope this is a helpful video. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.